Buckeye Stacks. Okay, welcome back to Buckeye Stacks, and welcome back to my stack. Today we're going to unbox a box that I got today from Bullion. First time that I purchased from them, and I'm excited to see what is in the box. I remember that I got an assortment of things, but I can't remember exactly what I got because I've made 2 or 3 orders here recently. So let's see. Here's a cover up the pertinent information here, but here's the box that came in, and so let's just get to opening the box. Get the old trusty knife with the mask of steel, and get it open up here, and we'll just see what we got. Just trying to get a few different things and seeing what I like and what I don't like, and just get this open here. Alright, get the box open. Yeah. Paper, we don't want the paper. Advertisement. The Bullion. There's the silver, that's what we're interested in. Looks like my packing list, you don't care about that. And there's the box. Alright, let's open this up and see what we've got. Hope everybody's doing okay. Kind of a dreary day here where I live. I live in the Ohio Valley. And first thing that I got here, I got a 2021 Chinese panda. That's a beautiful coin. Not quite an ounce, it's 30 grams. Got the pandas on this side and opposite side. That is the House of Prayer, I believe. On the opposite side, on the obverse. Beautiful coin. Not really a fan of the Chinese government, but they do produce a good looking coin. That is beautiful. And see what the next one is that I got here. Oh yeah, I remember getting this one. Koala. I'm a big fan of the Perth Mint. They do a beautiful job. I've been looking for a kookaburra, and I got a line on one, and we'll be opening that up as soon as I get that in. Got Her Majesty the Queen on this side. Well, some of you may or may not be a fan of the Queen. She doesn't bother me over here in the United States. My family's line came from England way back when. I've done a little bit of a little bit of family tree studying. Of course, we were peons, and no nobility in my bloodline. No blue blood here, so my heritage probably wouldn't thought much of the nobility back then. All right, what do we got here? I can't remember. Is the suspense killing you? And yes, I have changed my name of my channel from Buckeye Stacks with an X to Buckeye Stacker. I thought maybe it would be a little less confusing. Alright. Oh yeah. Let me get that out of the... I got a capsule for that. A 2021 Krugerrand. This is the Springbok. This is from South Africa. This is the national animal of South Africa. And this is on the front. I believe this is the front. This is a former president of South Africa. This is Paul Kruger. And I have one encapsulated here. This is the 2018 version. It's been graded by NGC as MS69, but I wanted to get a raw version. And they had these on sale at SD Bullion, so I picked one up. I made mention that my father had a gold version of these, and maybe I'll get me one of those one of these days. But until then, I have a silver one. So I'll just lay that one there with its 2018 counterpart. Let's see what I got here. Oh yeah. I got another Morgan dollar. This one's a lot nicer shape than the one I picked up at the at my coin dealer the other day. Let's see what the year they sent me here. We'll take it away from the camera just for a second so I can see what year this is. Looks like an 1889. 1889, which I think, is that the same year that I've got here? No, this is 1884. 1889. This is a lot nicer shape than the one that I have in the capsule there. Tell you what, what I just the reason I like these old coins, these old mercury dimes and these old silver dollars, and even this one here, this one that belonged to my dad, even though it's got an old hole in it. The reason I'd say there's a hole in this, somebody probably wore this around their neck. They were so proud of this, they probably wore this around their neck as a pendant, a necklace, where have these coins been? What have they bought? What have they seen in their lives? Where have they traveled? What have they bought? This dime here, this 30 cents, have they bought candy for, kids, that are now in their 80s and 90s, or, this dollar, 1889, where has it traveled? Where's it been? It's hard to say. And then the last one here that I got. Oh yeah. This is my first one of these. This is my first Britannia 2021. Beautiful coin. A lot of anti-counterfeiting stuff with the background. There's some holographic stuff there. And flip it over, and of course there's Her Majesty the Queen there. Beautiful coin. So, yeah. So we've added, let's see, one. Get that. This isn't a full ounce of silver. But 2, 3. Let's see, where'd the panda go? Well, it's not full ounce either. 4. So for argument's sake, we'll say 1, 2, 3, 4. We added 5 coins to the collection, to the stack today. So what we've once was just a few coins is getting a little bit bigger and bigger day by day, or little payday by payday. So thank you all once again for watching my videos, and if you like what you've seen and you are a stacker yourself, please share and hit that thumbs up button. Hit the thumbs up and share, and please comment. And if you share with other stackers, if you do hear that in the background, I do have a geriatric bulldog that is either trying to breathe or might be sleeping. But anyhow, please forgive the geriatric bulldog in the background. I don't run her off because I love her. She's nearly 13 now, which those of you who may or may not know anything about bulldogs, their average lifespan is 8 to 10 years old. I've got 2 geriatric bulldogs. One is 13 and one is 12, so they both live very long and very lazy, pampered lives. So, but one snores even when she tries not to, and even when she's breathing. So, but that's who you may hear in the background. But anyhow, her name is Polly. We have Polly and Dottie and Chaos and Hallie. Those are the animals in the house. So anyhow, but thank you very much for watching the video, and appreciate you. And we'll catch you on the flip side.